Let the trees teach you that growth requires patience. Let the wind teach you that you can change direction and speed as you desire. Let the flowers teach you that beautiful things do not bloom all year long. Let the ocean teach you that you can be both calm and chaos, gentle and strong. Let the clouds teach you that when things get too heavy, it is time to release. Let the stars teach you that darkness is needed to see the light. Let the sun teach you that no matter how long you've been hidden, you will always rise again.